How are you guys doing today? I hope you know you are important. If you are new here, my name is Teresa. Thank you so much for joining us. If you are a subscriber and coming back, thanks for coming back. So, we are doing a Sewing Tuesday, and we are going to sew this. And what I'm going to do is, as you can see where these lines are, I will show you a quick clip of how I made them. I was going to do this completely different and change my mind. So, we are going to use Okay, so as you can see here, I am using my ruler to make my lines, and that way they are straight. And I'm making them like 3/8 or an inch apart from each other. They're all varied on what I want, what I was feeling like. The pen I am using is a fabric pen where when you put heat on the pen, it will make the lines disappear, so you will no longer have those lines, which is one of my favorite ways of marking up sewing when I am working on quilts or whatnot. So yeah, this is how I got the lines on. Different sewing style things. Okay, so the first what we're gonna do is I'm gonna look through. As you can see, this has tons of different stitches, and I'm just gonna look and see what all we have to play with, because there is like a lot. Let's see, these are all like fun decorative stitches. Let's do a few with this. And the decorative stitches do take a little longer to do. Okay, so really liking how that turned out. So let's try something different. Ooh. I think we're going to do just a regular zigzag. So the hardest part of this is always figuring out what you want to use. That looks different. Let's try that. Okay. And that will finish up these first 3 this way. Now I'm going to lengthen this a little bit. I can't make it longer, but I'm going to make it longer. I don't see what it looks like. Oh, I like it so much better. Okay, we're going to do this last one with the same. And we're going to switch out with the red. Okay, let's see what other ones we can find. I want to thank you all for watching this process. I wanted to hand stitch this and then realized my hands can't. So I decided to do a bunch of different stitches that I had on this sewing machine. I hope you learn something from this video, and wait until the end, because that is when I will have still shots of up close of what I did. Thank you so much for following me, and if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Think of subscribing, and you guys are wonderful. Thank you.